Why do we have two of the same vehicles in front of you? Are they the same?
They are.
They look the same.
But they're not.
But they're not. I'm going to show you a stock version versus Losi's new Proformance kit. One has the kit, one doesn't. Let's compare. Hey guys, Adam Lee RC here again with my daughter, Taylor Ahulani, and we have another product for you today.
It's another
It's not very new. Just wanted to show you what I did to mine, but it is the Losi Tenacity SCT 4-wheel drive. Why don't you grab that, Taylor?
Okay. So,
this one is the brushed version. Again, from Horizon Hobby. Oops, Horizon Hobby.
I bet you my dad already has this one.
So let's open it up.
Check it out. The RC.
Yes.
Ready?
Yeah.
We have the manual. It comes with batteries.
This one comes with...
Oh, this one doesn't have a hole in it.
the STX2
control.
Spectrum.
Then let's see. Oh, I could take it out.
So this model's been out for a while, but they re-released and does come with AA batteries. They re-released it with a Method body and a Fox body. This one here is the Method body.
Let's put it down. Oh, I can't take the clip out.
That's okay.
This is...
it looks awesome though. Way better than the original.
This, can I take these ones off?
Yeah.
Oh wait, what?
What? Oh, it doesn't. She just said the Arma with the rubber.
Okay, so
this one has a Spectrum receiver. They're not threaded shock bodies.
they have a different cord.
Solid links, so they're non-adjustable. Shaft-driven 4-wheel drive. This one does have 3 oil-filled diffs, so you can adjust those. But why I got this one to show you guys is because I don't know if you guys are aware, but they have a Tenacity Performance upgrade kit, which comes with chassis, sway bars, shock tower mounts, threaded shock bodies, and adjustable turnbuckles. And this, for $100, this upgrade is pretty good for what you get. That's what you get in the box.
It's an upgrade. It's an upgrade kit.
Upgrade kit. And I could show you what that really looks like because I've already done it. Can you grab that
one?
No, right there.
Oh, wait, what?
Let's put this one back.
Oh, okay. This is basically this.
So here's my version. I cut mine out because I did take it to the track, and I'll show you some track videos after this. My track is clay, so I was running some clay tires here.
And we might drive this one today. We have
well, I'll show them the track videos at the track, at my local track.
Wait, I can't get... Okay. This is the body. It has different
So here's the
wheels.
underside of it, which is way better than that plastic one. The plastic one has a battery, how should I say it? The battery compartment access is from the bottom. This one changes it from the top. I run a 2-cell because when we race, they only allow 2-cell on the track.
And it's different wheels. It's different.
But yeah, I'll get this on the bench. Let's get this on the bench. How about that? So they get a closer look.
But then you're only gonna do it.
What do you want to do?
Here.
You want to do it here? She wants to do it here instead of us, so you guys don't get a closer look. We'll try to get a closer look. So let's see. These have the shock towers and the threaded shock bodies. That's the rear. And then the front. And then, I don't know if you guys could see the adjustable turnbuckles.
Is this the front?
No, that's the rear.
Oh.
I have changed mine to brushless, to the Hobby Wing XR8 SCT system, and my steering servo. I wanted to see if I could actually get this thing to compete with other guys
We might.
at my local track. I still have yet to race it. Oh, and then the big thing is the sway bars. If I were to pick any upgrade from that kit, it'd be the sway bars if you guys plan to track it. Front and rear sway bars. Here.
My hand's blocking it.
Sorry. Also, I found with that kit that the original shock caps, I had a hard time bleeding it. So I went with the Losi 22S. Or no, what did I get these from? These are Losi caps, and they have the bleeder screw, like the higher end shocks. And I was able to get that bled a lot easier.
It also has a button to turn it off.
It does. The ESC has a button to turn it on and off.
I wish I had that. Easier.
So, you guys are probably asking, why don't you just get the Losi SCSTE race version? But if people don't have all that money up front, they could get the ready to run version for $229 and slowly upgrade to this, which should do pretty good. So let's show them some track video and see for yourself. And again, I'm not a pro driver. I'm not a sponsored driver. I'm not even in the expert classes. I race sportsmen. I'm
a pro.
I'm not very good, but I try, and that's what it's all about. It's just having fun. So yeah.
Can we show them to drive it now? This one, the used one.
I'll show them the track videos.
But that's
That you, because you're not there. Cut these off.
Let's. This is the bottom of it.
So this one has could take 2 to 3 cell, and like I said, the access port is on the bottom. So if you wanted to compare, can you get mine? Can you get my little?
You just told me to put it down.
Well, we got to compare the bottom.
There's definitely no room for it this time. Can I hold this one?
That's where you want to hold it. So here's what they look like comparable to each other.
So this one's silver and that one's black.
This one's aluminum. This one's plastic.
Wait, let me show. This one's metal, I think.
Aluminum.
Oh,
Say aluminum.
aluminum.
There you go.
It's way different inside.
All right, guys. Catch you next time. Say bye.
Bye. Subscribe down below and comment down below if you like it. And give it a thumbs up.
Bye. Oh, come on. I can try to flip you over.
Okay, thank you. You gonna race next?
Sorry. Oh. Ooh.